to take this opportunity to welcome our Deputy President, Riggy G. Thank you so much.
Hi. Good morning. God is good. And all the time. Nisalimieni kwa haya. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Nairobi mpo? Mlikuja mapema? Sinasikia mkisema mapema ndio best. Hata mimi nimefika mapema. The current hospital founders, Dr. Dan Gikonyo and Dr. Beth Gikonyo, the current hospital fraternity, partners, our members of parliament from Nairobi and the nearby county of Kiambu, distinguished guests, dear runners. As an early morning walk lover, a mountain climber, a running enthusiast, I am proud flagging off the current hospital heart run 2023. With at least 200,000 children at 18 years suffering from heart complications in Kenya, this annual event organized by the Heart to Hand Foundation is a lifesaver initiative for families that cannot afford the cost of surgeries and related procedures. The open heart surgery at the Kenyatta National Hospital costs between 350,000 Kenya shillings to 450,000 Kenya shillings, while closed heart surgery ranges between 150,000 to 250,000. The cost may appreciate depending on the condition of the patient after these intensive procedures. In private hospitals, the same procedures may range from 500,000 to over 1.5 million. It is even worse for those flying to India, South Africa, and other countries. It is for sure beyond the reach for the families at the bottom of the socio-economic pyramid. This has sunk and locked families in poverty as others call for contributions and harambes from friends. The World Health Organization has established that 9 out of 10 children born with congenital disorder are in low and middle income countries. Dear runners, that is why the current hospital heart run has become a symbol of compassion, resilience, and hope for children and families affected by congenital and rheumatic heart diseases. As we celebrate the 30th anniversary of the Heart to Heart Foundation, we recognize that hope has been restored to over 400 beneficiaries and their families. I therefore express my deepest gratitude to the current hospital and the Heart to Heart Foundation for the utmost dedication to this noble cause of giving our children a second chance. The current hospital has led by example. I challenge the other hospitals and medical stakeholders to emulate this initiative, which in the long run will complement the government's effort of providing quality health care to our people. As we embark on this year's heart run, we are collectively determined to make a mark in every child's heart through the funds raised. That is how we'll build a society where no child suffers for lack of access to quality health care. The Kenya Kwanza administration under President William Ruto is implementing reforms in the health sector, specifically the National Health Hospital Insurance Fund. We are determined to increase access to quality health care and reduce the burden of our people, especially the vulnerable. In conclusion, I thank Kenyans and more so the children who have turned up for this noble cause of saving their friends. I also thank the children of Nairobi for dancing with me and giving me a jig early in the morning. Nimewapenda sana watoto, nimeshukuru sana. And I think Dr. Gikonyo, because we have to run, we have to raise funds. I'll join you, but not for the whole run, because I need to fly to Meru with my boss, President William Ruto, but I'll cover some distance and then I'll be able to veer off because I need to go to Meru. I have also raised some money for this cause. Daktari, with me here is 2,100,000. toward this cause. Kwa hivyo mimi nashukuru sana. Mko tayari kutembea? Kabisa? Wangapi wako tayari? Mko sawa? Mutanishinda? Hamwezi nishinda? Mutanishinda? Wacha tuanze, mtaona mimi ni kali sana. So nimeshukuru sana. May God bless you and bless you abundantly. Asanteni sana.